How to use Google Chrome for productivity. If you want to use Google Chrome for productivity, you can leverage some of its important features. Now what you can do is, first of all, you can leverage its homepage, which means you can enable the shortcuts for your most visited sites. You can add bookmarks. You can save your passwords so that you don't have to retype them every time. So let's get started. The first thing is click the pencil icon from the bottom right of Google Chrome. Here you'll find various options and you can see show shortcuts. You can either turn on most visited sites that Chrome will actually suggest you by default, or you can go to My Shortcuts and create a custom shortcut by clicking on Add Shortcut button. If you want, you can also create a bookmark. You can add some of the extensions that makes your life easier based on the services you use. Click the extensions icon from the top right and go to Manage Extensions. And here you can go to Chrome Web Store and you can download and use extensions like VPN or Font Finder or whatever else that is most essential to you. You could go ahead and simply install those extensions. Throughout your experience in browsing the website, you can also choose to enable passwords autofill. So if you click the three dots icon from the top right and go to passwords and autofill, you can go to Google Password Manager and add some of these passwords so that next time it will just autofill itself without you having to manually do it. These are some ways on how you can use Google Chrome for productivity. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.